Welcome back to Life Hacks, where we help you navigate through life's challenges with practical tips and tricks. In today's video, we're going to talk about the law of attraction and why it may not be working for you. Now, don't get us wrong. This video is not meant to disprove the law of attraction or discourage you in your journey to manifest your dreams. Instead, it aims to educate you about the pitfalls you may encounter on the path of manifesting your dreams. Information on manifesting what you want is scattered all over the internet, and forums like Reddit and Quora are filled with people sharing information based on their personal beliefs. This video will help you understand the core of manifestation and assist you in dealing with self-doubts and hesitations while waiting for your manifestations. It's not just about the visuals. The law of attraction is not solely about visuals. In fact, the internet is full of doubts from people who wonder if they should visualize using auditory or sensory perception for effective manifestation. Unfortunately, many people spread incorrect information. While it is important to first visualize what you want, obsessing over the details of those visuals is not the issue. The problem lies in the emotions that arise during visualization. If you can generate the positive emotions that you would experience when attaining a particular object of desire just with a few words, then that is more than enough. The goal is to energetically align yourself with the desired emotion. To understand this better, let us define what emotion is. Emotion is a concentrated form of a thought. A nation is just an idea, but the more concentrated this idea becomes, the more you may feel willing to join the army and die for that idea. It takes time for emotion to build up. A lot of thoughts towards one direction together form one emotion. The goal of visualizing something while experiencing an emotion is to communicate to the universe what you want. For example, if you are trying to manifest a bike, the bike as an image or a word will indicate what is causing the happiness that is spreading through your chest and the rest of your body in subtler ways. Therefore, whenever you are visualizing or doing anything with your eyes closed to manifest something, the end goal is the emotion. If you have not generated subtle or intense emotions during your visualization sessions, you have merely exercised your mind's imagination power and nothing else. Inspired action. Many books and articles related to the law of attraction suggest that people should take action towards their desires while visualizing, but this often causes confusion. It's important to understand that simply acting towards your desires is not enough. In the initial stages of visualization, you may only perform minor activities towards your goal. However, during your manifestation journey, life may push you into a situation where a particular activity, which may or may not be directly related to your goal, makes you feel energized and joyful. This is known as inspired action, and you should perform it with full involvement and without hesitation. As you continue your visualizations regularly and stay in touch with the associated visual and emotional state throughout the day, doors will begin to open up for you. Manifesting your goals will be the only remaining step. Empty your slate. Have you ever watched children drawing on a slate? They scribble as much as they want, right? However, if you sit with them and observe closely, you'll notice that they are genuinely drawing and writing what they want on the slate. The problem is that they don't clear the slate before drawing or writing something new. They write something, then draw on top of it, and then add even more. Every human being does this, but with their mind. Nothing significant can be manifested with a noisy mind like this. Perhaps you'll manifest something small here and there, but then you'll be lost in the noise yourself. Many experts suggest that people meditate, but this may trigger the noise even more. What people should learn from Eastern philosophies is that meditation is just one of the many activities you could do. But before doing any activity with your mind, it is important to clear the slate. The only practice that clears away noise from your mind is sitting with your eyes closed for a particular amount of time and withdrawing from everything external. Don't watch your breath, don't focus on anything, just set an alarm, close your eyes, and don't open them until the alarm goes off. Initially, a lot of images and thoughts will flood your mind, but relax and watch them like a television. Be internally inactive, and at one point, your slate will be empty. If you close your eyes, your mind will just shut up, which means your mind is clean and the universe can recognize whatever you write on it. Yogis and gurus in the East suggest doing this for 12 hours a day cumulatively for significant progress. However, collectively doing just 3 hours of this process a day will also give you good results. Remember, if you set your alarm for 20 minutes, no matter who calls or what your mind says, You should not open your eyes and indulge externally. That is the only rule of this game. Stay in touch with your emotions throughout the day. Let's say you have followed all of the suggestions we provided in this video. Your mind has become silent, you have set a goal, and you have started visualizing for 15 minutes every morning and night. Once you have generated a particular image and emotion, it's essential to revisit them briefly throughout the day. Whether your eyes are open or closed during this process doesn't matter. The more you strengthen your emotions, the more opportunities for inspired action will present themselves to you. By performing more inspired actions, your manifestations will arrive more quickly in your lap. Timing is everything. Last but not least, timing is everything. The time of day when you eat, or water your plants, or just sleep, can determine the outcome of these activities. The same principle applies to visualization. While there are no strict and hard rules for when to visualize, Eastern philosophies and yogis recognize one particular time of day as significant for human beings. This time is called Brahma Muhurtam, which occurs at 3:45 a.m. in the morning. At this time, your mind is receptive to tremendous amounts of grace and synchronicity with the rest of the universe. Sleeping early and waking up early will also help regulate your circadian rhythm, enabling you to work on your goals while the rest of the world is still asleep during this wonderful time. There you go, guys. These are some of the best things you can do to ensure that you are persistent, effective, and successful in visualizing and manifesting your goals. Often, people fail at any activity when they don't prepare adequately before performing it. So, make sure you give yourself enough time and patience to prepare your mind for visualizations, and you'll end up being a champion in manifesting what you want.